Walk into a bank with zero money.
Then walk in again with 1 million. Same you, same hoodie, same tired eyes.
I filled both reactions. The difference is disturbing.
Not because they're mean, because they're right.
At $0, you don't exist to them.
You're not a customer. You're a cost.
Like a leaky tap in a rented flat.
Banks charge fees on the little you have.
The penalty for being broke? Becoming more broke.
You overdraft by $4 on coffee. The bank charges you $35.
A coffee becomes a week of bus fare.
You call them, hold music loops forever.
A voice reads a script, no help.
You walk into the branch on Friday. The teller's face changes, colder. You stop being a person on her screen. You become a flag, a category. A risk score with shoes, standing there.
You leave without saying what you came for.
Your rent fails because of that fee? Landlord adds $75 more. Phone bill bounces, another $25. $4 is now $200 deep. You skip lunch on Wednesday, not by choice. Coworker asks to eat. You lie. You already ate, you say. You didn't.
Hunger like that stays silent, performs full.
But here's what the bank doesn't tell you.
This whole system has a hidden backdoor. Regular people use it to skip the broke treatment. No $1 million required, just one move.
I'm showing you exactly how in video 02. Because being broke shouldn't cost you more. Now let's say you save up $10,000.
Suddenly, the bank notices you exist.
They start being helpful. Friendly calls, emails. But watch the products they're selling you.
Credit cards, overdraft protection, savings accounts. These help you a little,
But them a lot.
Like a free coffee that needs expensive milk.
They offer you a secured credit card. You give them $300 first?
Then they lend it back at 24%.
You're paying for your own money. Think about that.
The bank calls this helping you build credit. But who's really building what here?
At $20,000, you get a relationship banker.
He asks about your goals, your dreams. He's not your friend. He's a salesperson.
Like a waiter who only recommends expensive fish.
The fees disappear? No, they just hide.
Interest rates on loans look lower now. But lower doesn't mean fair. It means less bad. You apply for a car loan, $5,000. Approved in 48 hours. Smooth. You feel good. They planned that feeling. The bank's help is a product. You're the buyer. So how do regular people skip this whole game? Remember that back door from earlier? It works whether you have 10 or 10 million. No special treatment needed, just one shift. But first, let's finish the $1 million story. Because at 1 million, everything changes. Fees vanish. Bankers call you. Doors open. Same you, same hoodie, different number. The bank doesn't change. Your tier does.
And that back door?
It works at every tier. Video 02 shows the move. You won't believe simple. Level 7, $500,000. The bank stops being a place you visit. It becomes a service that comes to you. Private bankers appear from nowhere. Real people. Like a butler who knows your coffee order. They call you by name. Remember your sister? The fees you paid for years? Gone. Not reversed. Not waived. Just never existed. You email your banker. 3 hours later, reply says, taken care of. No forms. The same call that took hours at $200? Now fixed while you're still on the phone. You get invited to private dinners. 8 clients, a guest speaker, city views. Nobody mentions money all night. Money is the table, not the conversation. At 1 million, you're worth defending. Like a sports team protecting their star player. 5 million? Private banking starts. Not a service, a relationship. Your banker manages fewer than 20 accounts. He knows your kids' names, your foundation idea. The bank bends its own rules for you. Paperwork that takes 2 weeks? 48 hours. You walk into any branch, they know your name. Same you, same hoodie, different number. But here's what nobody tells you. The bank at $1 million isn't your friend either. They're just extracting from a different pocket. So the real win isn't getting rich for them. The real win is skipping the whole tier game. That back door? It works at $0. You don't need $1 million to use it. Video 02 shows exactly how. One simple move. Because the system only wins if you play its game. So what's the move? Let's end the mystery. The move is this. Stop playing their tier game. Banks sort you by how much you store. Like a hotel judging you by your suitcase. But you can skip the lobby entirely. The secret? Become useful to yourself first. Banks really want predictable money more than big money. A regular paycheck you control? That's power. Like showing up to work on time every day. The move is building your own back door, not waiting for the bank to open one. So how do you build it with $0? You start with what the bank can't touch. Your knowledge, your system, your small habits. Like learning to cook instead of buying takeout. You stop being a customer. You become the host. That's the move regular people use. No $1 million, no private banker. Just one shift in who you work for. You work for you now. The bank works for you. Fees become optional when you're not desperate. You don't chase their tiers. You build your own. And the best part? You start from 0. No shame, no guilt, just a better map. That's the move. Simple, quiet, yours. But the exact steps I saved for video 02. Because knowing the move is one thing. Doing it without a bank blocking you? Another. Subscribe so you don't miss video 02. Next time, the exact blueprint to skip tiers. You at $0 and you at $1 million? Same person. The bank just decides differently based on a number. You don't need their permission to win. Start where you are. Use what you have. See you in video 02. Bring your 0. We'll build.